What's up, guys? Devin and Joey.
So today we're gonna be exploring a abandoned
Warehouse.
We don't know much about it, but we just kind of did it on a whim, and there's a black cat right there, so that's kind of scary already.
Yeah, we have no idea. We weren't sure what to do today, but we're coming here. So.
We're not even sure if this place is actually abandoned.
Yeah,
So.
there could be a family of cats in there or something. That's not abandoned.
Yeah.
That doesn't count as abandoned. Anyways, well, see you guys when we're in there.
Alright guys, so we're already at our first inconvenience. First, there's a train. Second,
this guy just
we literally just started walking, and there's a guy right
there.
The
fence to get there, and then there's someone across the fence.
See if you can see.
Oh.
Oh, yeah, he's still over there.
Devin, also look at this. Look, private property signs all over this thing.
Yeah, he's right there.
That's just right.
Okay, so yeah. Alright guys, so we were walking away and we found some old railroad cars right over there. And we don't think that they can see us if we go and explore those.
Alright. This looks interesting, so let's go check this out. Alright, so we're here. And these things look like they're falling apart, but it looks very interesting.
Literally nothing in here. What is that?
It's cool. I don't know. I guess here.
Only one way to find out.
Here. There's some old wood in here. Ooh, that's kind of loud.
Dude, what's this?
It's like old wood stuff.
Yeah.
It's interesting. Oh wait, actually this is it's a weapon.
Yeah.
Wait, that about, dude. Is that a diamond pickaxe? Okay.
This is actually
we should probably cut the clip right there.
Okay, so we're not even joking. We found this mystery package. Literally could be filled with HIV or something.
How could it be filled with HIV?
Don't ask freaking questions, Joey.
Alright. Oh, dude, there's an old gas tank. Or whatever.
Oh, suitcase.
Ooh. Cool. Alright.
Dude, look. DJ. What is this?
Here. Yep, it says DJ.
Can they see it?
Yeah, they can see it just fine.
Marco was Casper.
This place must be haunted.
Alright, let's get this opened. Actually, let's check this one. Literally nothing in it.
This goes to show, guys, we had no idea what we were going to record today. But if you just go out there and explore, you'll find something cool. So, adventure's always out there, isn't that right, Devin?
Yeah. I wish we would have brought our knives.
Yeah, you're right. Oh well.
What is it?
I don't know.
It looks like poop.
This is poop. It smells weird too.
I was actually hoping that there'd be something cool in this.
Yeah. But just a piece of
Carpet.
yeah, a carpet. Nasty old carpet.
Alright, so when we get home, I'm definitely gonna have to wash my hands. What is it? Oh, it opens up. Lice crawls out.
Oh my, ew.
Ew.
What is that?
Oh. This is a murder weapon.
Alright, well, I guess we'll get to the next cart. Alright, well. Oh. You don't see him?
There's a big box.
Supply drop opening?
I was thinking homeless people opening.
Okay. Go ahead, hurry up.
I found a phone.
Ooh.
Like a legitimate phone.
Look, dude, freaking The Almighty doesn't have anything on us now. River treasure.
Oh,
What if someone in the comments is like, "Oh my gosh, that's my phone"? It feels like plastic. Like, well,
it does.
duh, it's plastic, but it feels like really fake. Here, try to hold the on button.
Micro. You might be able to take it home and charge it.
Well, I guess we'll let you guys know if we find anything cool about that. Oh, here's a big old box. Nope,
Nothing?
nothing.
Hey, newspaper.
Ooh, this could be interesting. Rolexes.
No, those are Seiko's. Grimes Jewelers.
This is a strange place to advertise. Oh, them are fresh.
Yeah.
Alright, well. I guess we'll head to the next thing.
We're going to the last railroad car, and then we're going to get on the roof of this one.
I'll just get a view up here. Oh, there's something in my eye. Listen to this. Wow.
You
I've
good?
been in all day. I don't know. Here, there's nothing worth really showing.
I don't care.
I'm gonna grab you guys. Oh. Okay. Well, here's what it looks like. See those people over there? All right. All right. Here you go.
Alright. So, we're up here. I'm up here, and I'm like barely holding on to this edge. It's like a 20-foot drop.
Rotting wood everywhere.
Literally, this is like super sketchy. This is what I'm holding on to. That's it.
All right. Huh. How are we gonna get in this one?
This is weird. This looks
Anything
oh, there's
cool?
stuff in it.
Oh, yeah.
Like actual stuff. Like there's a TV right there.
Here, hold it.
We can get in on the other side. Let's go.
Alright. Alright, we're in here.
Joey, how steady is this?
It's good. Just it's a little sketchy, so. Alright, what do we got here? That's where we were just a second ago. We got TV, old TV. That's cool. Okay, let's go.
Let's get to this car over here, do you think?
Alright, let's do it.
Oh, it's construction. That's why those guys are over there.
Oh. Alright, let's go look in there. It's an old car. It's all messed up. I don't know. Alright, so there's some more cars over there. So Devin's still heading over here. He's right there. We're about to check out these cars. So that'll be cool. You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
Alright. Whew.
A wheelbarrow?
Yeah. And there's a working trailer over there, so.
I guess like in good shape.
Let's go. Here, I'm gonna get between there. It looks like we're like scrappers who try to get money off this stuff. You know? Oh, it looks like someone smashed this, dude. See, this is disrespectful urban explorers.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Yeah. Yeah, kinda. Wonder what's in the back.
There's like
Fence.
chicken wire fence stuff. There's another truck, just nothing really cool in there, I guess. So there's people right on the other side of this wall, and Devin just stepped on that piece of metal right there, and we just made a huge noise. So this is probably someone's like garage. All right.
Right there.
Here, look at all this stuff. This is definitely private property, and it's kind of disrespectful for us to be here, I guess.
Yeah, so definitely do not come here if you find out where this is. Do not, because
This is someone's like garage, and we just came here to look at it. But
we thought it was abandoned, but it turns out
yeah,
it's definitely not.
so yeah, we just came here to entertain you guys. So we have to go back through there, and then we have to go back around the fence that we came from, and yeah, see you guys in a bit.
We need a hero!
We're throwing this boy away.
As he drops it on the ground.
Alright, thanks for watching that video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. That was a fun one. That was fun.
Yeah, it's pretty scary. Well, not really. But yeah, so make sure to check out that bonus clip at the end. So yeah, see you guys later.
Gotcha.